Hello and welcome to today's tutorial. It's going to be a brief one. Today I'm just going to talk about nested elements. Nested elements is simply an element that is inside an element, or putting an element inside another element. So here the only element that is not inside an element is HTML. Okay, this is the only element that is not inside an element is HTML. So in this case, this HTML is called a root element. However, we have the head and we have the body and paragraphs. We have the head and then the body. This is inside an element. So in this case, the body and the head are what we call nested elements. Alright, so here we can have the body. Alright, the body begins from here and ends here. So this body is a nested element and it's inside HTML. We also have here P element is also a nested element because it is inside body, and you see body is outside the P is inside the body element. Okay, so that's what nested elements are. Here we can even refer to them as this is the parent element and this is the child element. Okay, so it doesn't make sense if we have this. Like, what we have to do is to have to make sure that the elements, the child elements, are always closed within the parent element. So it couldn't make sense if you could do this. Probably, for instance, if you do this and we say maybe this is P, I've opened a paragraph here and then I come below the parent and then I close it here, like this. This is now what we call a mismatched element. Okay, this is now what we call a mismatched element, because if you do that, you're actually going to encounter a lot of errors. You're going to encounter a lot of errors and you're going to have your code actually not functioning. So it is very much advised that you do the coding, you open the tags and then you close them. It's important that the tags open are closed as well. Alright, so if you forget to do that and probably bring the closing outside the parent element, I said earlier that you're gonna encounter a lot of errors. So today, like I said, it's gonna be a brief tutorial. That is it. All I want to talk about is nested elements. See you in the next video. Bye.